is for 2005 to 21 Nissan Y61 full LCD cluster. We have many multiple driving models can be choose. This is a snow model, sport model, and this desert model off-road vehicle. And like we have the engine can be see here, like this one. There's a braking light, left, right, and headlight. Okay, and then you can see on this page, here are the front tire corner. You can check this part. Trip A, Trip B, in the front and rear sway bar, left and right sway bar, front tire corner. Time, you can see all the page in different model. Also in here, sway bar, storage here, everything you can check here. Also here. Also, let's go to the setting. You can also setting different, like the time setting, motion information, limit setting, alarm setting, and language, tank setting.
RoadNavi.